I'm now inside the showroom here at Tuttlingen. Extremely busy. This 3-day event, they're expecting over 1,600 people. Just going to have a very quick look round at some of the machines. Here we have quite a novel cell here. This is a cell that consists of a fine bow vertical lathe with automation that is connected to a DZ12 Chiron machine here by a robot arm in the middle. So one would take from this that we have a turn-in operation that is then, the part is delivered into the central area here where the robot picks the part up and then brings it into this DZ12 then for its milling operations. This is a 5-axis machine in there. You've got a twin spindle on this machine. Look at the speed that this tool changer moves around. I'll move out the way so you can go in a little bit closer with the camera. Kind of working envelope on this machine is 550 by 400, and you've got an 18,000 RPM spindle. What is really impressive is the speed that these machines move at, 75 meters a minute. It's an HSK 50, and you've actually got two 64 station tool changers geared up for production, running off of the Siemens control. We're going to move on now. We're going to move on to the next machine, which is a baseline. We've seen these machines in the UK at the Engineering Technology Group. It's quite a common seller for them in the UK. This is a twin pallet machine. We're talking about a 23 kilowatt motor, 40 meters a minute, 2.1 seconds tool change time, and you've actually got a 10,500 RPM spindle on this machine. It's got a rotary axis in there, so you can hit 3 sides of a component at once. Then to the right of you, we then have the VariCell Uno. This is again more innovation from Chiron. This is an FZ12 VariCell. This has got a 44 kilowatt motor. It's an HSK 50, but this is all about automation. We have here a Fanuc robot arm that's picking up, turning parts, and then putting them into the machine. Quickly moving on again, we have an FZ08 FX Precision. Love this machine. Probably again a big seller for Chiron in the Engineering Technology Group in the UK. 30,000 RPM, HSK 40, very, very fast machine. I love this machine here. This is the Chiron DZ08 FX Precision. The principal idea behind this machine here at the show is to show off the new linear motor technology. This machine is about speed and precision. We all know with linear motor drives, they're much faster, there's less wear, the machine will have more longevity, and basically your part will come off accurately with a great surface finish for longer. On to the right now we have an FZ18. This is a slightly bigger machine with a bigger working envelope. You can see there, I think we've got 5 work holding stations there, so you've got 5 components on this machine that are being machined one after the other. This is obviously to save having to keep changing parts in and out of the machine. Again, high speed, 16,000 RPM, 31 kilowatt motor, an 830 by 530 working envelope in this machine, and some quite novel work holding. Siemens control on that machine. We've also seen today that some of these Chiron machines have Fanuc controls. Then I'd like to almost conclude this tour on this Chiron Mill 2000. This is a travelling column machine, high speed again for maybe some of those aero structure parts, 2 meters in the x-axis. What I do like about this machine as well is look at the speed of that tool changer. You've also got over 800 millimeters in the y-axis. You've also got, would you believe, 75 kilowatts of power on this 20,000 RPM spindle. It's an HSK taper. There's got a B-axis head on this machine, so you can do side angles, or you can tip the B-axis head. And you've also got an integrated axis in the table, which makes this a full 5-axis machine. What Chiron are really demonstrating here is that their machines are capable of not just small, nimble parts, but large structures like this aluminium structure that we have here. And again, look at the speed, the acceleration of the machine as it moves. So there we have it. That's really a very, very quick look around the showroom here at Tuttlingen. Very, very impressive. As I said at the start, over 1,600 people expected here this week.